Be quick. Hey guys, this is Shane with Mountain Crypto. Today we're going to get right into it. We're going to talk about today's news. We're going to talk about the market, what the market's doing, take a look at some of the charts. I want to recommend and invite you guys to like, subscribe, check out the links, and look us up on social media. We're going to look at the headline news and talk about a couple topics as well. So remember, none of this is investing advice. This is just information, and take note of that and do your due diligence. And let's get on into it. All right. So I am going to pull up the goodies right here. We are going to look at the market right now. Bitcoin's at 63,539.88. We've got Ethereum at $2,625. They are both up for the 1 hour. They are down for the 24-hour. Bitcoin is up for the 7-day. Ethereum's actually down. Our top 10 coins: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, Solana, USDC, XRP, Lido Stake, Ether, and Dogecoin, and Toncoin. And you can see that in the top 20, there's Avalanche, which is doing really well, and Polkadot, Chainlink, Cardano, and some other favorites that you might have. Tron, maybe. I don't know. A lot of people that love Tron, but you never know. All right, so there they are. The market cap is looking like it is 2.35 trillion. It is down a little bit. Trading volume has spiked in the last 24 hours and does seem to be on a little downward trend, but an upward trend overall. So that is good. The next thing we want to look at is fear and greed. We are at dead neutral right now. Yesterday there was a little bit of greed, but that's where we are looking at right now. I want to thank CoinGecko for the top 10. Want to thank live crypto at bitdegree.com, bitdegree.org for the feed and greed. The blocks that we are looking at before the next halving, once it comes up, here you go. 863,581 blocks away. This is the time chain calendar to the last block, or halvening rather. And here we are in the blocks to halvening right here. Actually, I think it's, yeah, says 186,419. So there you go. The other interesting thing about this chart right here is $1 USD. One United States dollar is worth 1,578 stats. So yeah, you might not be able to get a full Bitcoin, but the stats, they will stack up. Just imagine that this is $1 right now, and at some point these stats could be worth, who knows, 10 cents each, $1 each, and the money that you put in today, if it continues to rise like it has, could be a really wonderful investment. That's live. The global liquidity right now, if you look at this chart, you can see that the global currency compared to the Bitcoin currency is being outproduced. Bitcoin is up here, and here is the global currency. Now, as the global currency is being produced more and more, as it is right here, and is going to continue with the interest rate and all the other countries that are raising the interest rate, this is the global liquidity, it's putting a squeeze right here. This squeeze will push, traditionally has pushed Bitcoin up much, much higher. So this is what we're seeing right here, is this squeeze. And this squeeze is historically pushes Bitcoin up. So that's why we want to keep an eye on that. If you go to the charts, bitbo.io. This is a stock to flow chart as of pretty recently, like within the last 24 hours. You can see there's $65,000 price Bitcoin is where we actually are. The stock to flow, we will in cycles rise above the stock to flow when we hit these all-time highs. You can see that they're correlated pretty close to those times. 2018, here's 2020. I mean, you know, give or take a few years, but here we go, getting closer to we're underneath the stock to flow model, but we should pick up and bump back into that again. If you look at this chart, you will see before about 2011 here, we spiked a couple times, and then again in 2012, we had it again here twice. We had it in 2014. Then we stayed under for quite a while, popped up right here in 2016, 2018, and again here before 2020. And likely we will be going that direction again if history does repeat. So the stock to flow chart is good to look at. So if we popped above it right now, you'd be looking at a $238,000 Bitcoin. So could that happen? I think down here is more moderate, $113,000 Bitcoin. I think something like that is definitely quite reasonable for the high of the overall season that we're going to have in the next year or two. You never know. Altcoin season, well, as Bitcoin goes up, we see the pressure on the market. We are not quite in altcoin season, but we are seeing altcoins rise right now. We are seeing them go up in value. If you look at the market cap, if we go back to the market cap, you'll see that some of these top coins for market cap, here you got Shiba Inu right here, 15th biggest in the marketplace for market cap. You got Dogecoin. You got I saw Bonk in here somewhere. Caspa, Monero, Stacks, Dog with Coin. Here it is, 43rd biggest. So quite a few of them. They are really getting a bigger market cap right now, and those are the ones that are moving. So those are the ones that are green. Okay. All right. Next. So that's altcoin season. The trading view predictive chart right now. Let's see if that's still up. Let me close that. We don't need that. Let's see what they have here. It doesn't seem to be updating, but there was a different chart on here originally. But here's where we are now, 63,278, according to this chart. So we're making a little bit of a kind of a horizontal movement here. Looks pretty good. All right, let's talk about news. We're done looking at the charts. I want to get into the news. The EIGEN layer, if I'm saying that right, EIGEN layer. This is a listing that could pop up on Coinbase. It is something that Coinbase is going to list. They're expanding on their Ethereum-based asset offering. EIGEN's second stake drop phase extends to March 2025, setting the stage for the market debut. And analysts predict significant market increases for EIGEN post-listing, so right after it lists. So, yeah, you know, again, remember this isn't investing advice. I noticed a text, or excuse me, like a tweet here or whatever. It says here that with 12% of EIGEN in circulation, it will launch the market cap to 600 million and put it at 123rd market cap, below DYDX and above Nexio. They did have a drop from $10 to $3 since the first stakeholder drop, and there is some excitement in the market, so we'll see what happens. They have an airdrop. I personally am kind of sick of airdrops, but I don't know if this is one you've heard about or if you have any opinions on it. I'd love to hear it. I thought I'd share it with you. It seemed pretty popular in the news. Coinbase is going to add the highly anticipated, yet to be launched Ethereum restaking altcoin to a listing roadmap right here from the dailyhodl.com. And it is an announcement again focusing on this EGN layer listing, and supposedly it's going to prevent insider trading and things like that. So you might want to check it out. It says it has the potential to improve Ethereum's fee model as well. So that's a big deal, like to get Ethereum prices down. So there's a lot of projects on Ethereum right now, but people, I don't think they're investing as heavily, at least the retail market, in Ethereum as they used to be. So this is highly anticipated and might be a big deal, might be worth something looking at. Ripple faces SCE's potential appeal. Doesn't look like they are doing too well in their battle with the SCE. They wanted to launch a stablecoin and things like that. So we'll have to see what happens with that. A lot of people are predicting that altcoin season's coming. There's a Musk Pepe. Musk is in Elon Musk. It's a meme coin. The prediction of this article here at Crypto Intelligence News that's listed at coinmarketcap.com in their news section says that it will rally 15,000% ahead of exchange listing as Shiba and Dodge underperform. Well, I know Dogecoin did make a nice little jump there, so who knows. Restaking, there's an article here on restaking, could crash and burn. That is concerning, so that might be something to look into. Ethereum dips as Vitalik Buterin connects wallet, ignites market skepticism. So I don't know. I think Ethereum did drop today. Maybe that's what the drop was caused by this action from Vitalik Buterin. But those are the top stories today in Bitcoin. I hope you like the charts. If you have any suggestions or anything for the show, let me know. I want to thank you again, and if you could like and subscribe. We do have a book that has, you can get a hard copy or you can get a digital copy on Bitcoin equals freedom with a question mark. And I'm not the best book writer, but I'm pretty proud of this concept and think that it will be something to look at. Other than that, I will be adding more links for social media and trying to put out more news like this. So let me know what you think of it. Thank you. And until next time, we are out of here.